Welcome to NFTStudio24.com.
I'm Andrea, and today we're going to talk about how to get rich off an NFT. But before we get started, this is by no means financial advice. This is just a conversation that we're having on YouTube. So how can I get rich off of an NFT seems to be the question on everyone's mind, right? Today, it's not that hard to find others that have quadrupled their net worth with NFTs alone. There are typically two camps of people that get rich off of NFTs. You either hodl or flip NFTs consistently. Both have their upsides and downsides, but could make you a lot of money when it comes to NFTs. So if you decide to hodl, hold on for dear life, the strongest muscle you're going to need is patience and persistence. It can be tempting to exit a project early after seeing the value increase after minting an NFT, but if you truly believe in the project, then it's in your best interest to hodl, because if you do that, you can easily have the next Bored Ape Yacht Club type of NFT that makes you 100 times what you originally put into it. If you decide to go the flipping route, you will need to be an expert at researching projects and floor prices or being awarded whitelist spots. It will be a lot like stock trading, where you buy undervalued stocks and trade them to make certain margin of profit and exit once you achieve that profit. It's important to exit once you hit your margin, because otherwise it can become like gambling and of course a little bit too addictive to ever exit. So if you focus on the money, you could have made it if you traded later. In the end, you'll need to choose what fits you the best if your goal is to get rich off NFTs. We'd love to hear from you, so comment below and tell us if you're banking on your NFTs to make you rich.
For more education videos, visit our website, NFTStudio24.com.